Welcome. If you want to get the Galaxy wallpaper on your ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, at the first you have to go for the Play Store. Next tap on search pool and type Shadow Galaxy. Click install. And right now let's open this application. Click to open. And here we get the preview of this wallpaper. So click to set wallpaper. And as you can see right now on our screen, that's how it looks. And very cool thing is that this is live wallpaper. So when we move our screen and tap right here or here, it is going to change the position. As you can see, when we move it on the left side or the right side. So it's really nice and cool looking wallpaper. I hope that you are going to enjoy this one. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.